In order to deposit money into your PrizePicks account, you need to go ahead and create your account and log in and open the app. And then in the upper left-hand corner, tap the 3 lines next to the PrizePicks logo. Once you do that, you'll see an option here that says Make a Deposit. You'll see a button in the purple color here. Tap the Make a Deposit button here, and then you'll be able to choose from a variety of methods in which you can deposit funds. The quickest way, if you're on an Apple or iOS device, is Apple Pay, but you can choose from PayPal, debit, credit, Venmo, or even linking your bank account. Once you choose the method that you want to use, tap into it, then decide how much you want to deposit. You can choose one of the predetermined amounts at the bottom there, or you can tap into that there and add your own amount as you can see here. Once you've determined how much you want to add, go ahead and tap the deposit button once more, follow the confirmation prompts. And then if you've done this properly, when you go back to the homepage of PrizePicks, you can tap in the upper right-hand corner where you should now see your balance. And then you can go here and it should tell you how much your balance is. As you can see, mine is $130 in the upper right-hand corner. If you want to know how to withdraw your funds, I will link that video here at the end of this one. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.